Hey and welcome to DesignGiboCover.com. I'm going to teach you today one of the best way to create a DVD design using Photoshop. You will get on this package 10 different DVD layouts. To find out the DVD that you want to use, open the file that's called DVD cover folder. You can see above each one of the DVD designs the folder that contains the DVD. There is one folder that you are not going to see on this picture. That folder called all the DVDs. On that folder you have one PSD file that contains all the 10 designs and you can edit all of them at once. We are going to start the work on DVD box 1. Open the folder that called DVD box 1 and open the PSD file that called DVD box 1. This is the DVD box that you will get on this PSD. We are going to work on the layer that called DVD font. This layer is contained a smart object. And to open it, we are going to press twice on the icon that's on the left side. As you can see, Photoshop has opened us a new window, a flat window. The 3D window is still opened and it needs to stay opened. We are going to use both of the windows. We are going to make all the changes on this window, and any changes that we are going to make on this window will take effect on the 3D layout when we will save it. On the right side you can see all the layers that you are going to get. If you want to see what the layer does, press on the eye that's on the left side and the layer will disappear. That way you can see what the layer does. If you don't want to see one of the layers on the designs, just remove the eye. This is the DVD logo, the headline, the tagline, the headline background. Put an image here. You are going to put the image that you want on this DVD above this layer and the background. Layers that have a T icon on the left side are text layer. To change the text, press twice on the T that's on the left side and put your own text. To approve that, press on the V that's on the top window. If you want to change the color of the text, select the type tool and you can see on the top window you have a color box. Press on that once, choose the color that you want and press OK. You can also change each one of the layers that has a color box on the left side by pressing twice on the color box, choose the color that you want and press OK. You can do the same to all the layers. I'm going to hide now the layer that say put image here. I'm going to use a picture that I made before. You can select it by the rectangle marquee tool. Go to edit, copy, go back to the flat window, again edit and paste. Now you can see the image on this DVD layout. We are going to leave it as it is. And now to save it on the 3D layout, all we have to do is to go to File, Save, go back to the 3D window and you can see the layout in here. If there is something that you don't like in here, all you need to do is again press twice on the smart object, make the new changes that you want, go to File and Save. Each time you want the changes to take effect on the 3D layout, you need to save the flat window. And this is how this method works. We are now going to work with DVD cover that has more than one smart object. For example, cover number 7 has 3 smart objects and we are going to work with that. Open the folder that's called DVD box 7 and you can see in here you have 2 PSD files, DVD box 7 and flat DVD PSD file. You are going to have a flat DVD PSD file on each one of the layout that have left side and right side. And we are going to use both the DVD box 7 and flat DVD. So why do we need a flat DVD? You can see on the 3D layout that we have both the left and the right side. Each one of the sides is a smart object and we need both of them to continue each other perfectly. That's why we use the flat DVD. You can also edit them the same as we did on DVD box number 1. But if you want to add a picture to the DVD layout, it will be a lot easier to use the flat DVD PSD. So what we are going to do in here is just make all the changes the same as we did on DVD box number 1 and copy the left side to the smart object that called DVD left side and the right side to DVD front. Now you need to make the changes to this PSD. I am going to use the same picture as before. Change the text. The layer that called left headline is the headline that on the left side. We are going to merge now all the layers to one layer. You won't be able to make any changes to the layout after we will do that. So if you think you are going to want to make any changes later on, you should save this PSD now. To merge all the layers, go to Layer, press on Merge Visible, and as you can see all the layers become one layer. Now we are going to copy the left side to the left side of the 3D layout and do the same to the right side. To know where the left side ends, you can use this guideline to see that. If you are not able to see the guideline, go to View, Show, and put the V on Guides. So let's select the rectangle marquee tool, select the left side, go to Edit, Copy. Now go back to the 3D layout, press twice on the smart object that on the left to the layer that called DVD left side, go to Edit, Paste. Now we need to save it, go to File, press on Save, and we are going to do the same to the right side. Select the right side, go to Edit, Copy. The right side is the smart object that called DVD font. Press twice on the smart object, go to Edit, Paste, put the layer above all the layers, and save it. You can see that we changed the DVD layout, and all we have to change now is the CD layout. Press twice on the smart object that on the layer that called CD layout, and you will be able to see the CD layout. You can edit the CD in a similar way to what we did in DVD box 1. If you have a picture that you want to add to this design, the picture has to come below these two layers, round background and middle circle. Those two layers cover in white the places that are not going to display on the 3D layout. So let's see what each one of the layers does. This is the DVD logo. The alt right reserved text. You can change it by pressing twice on the T icon and put the new text. This is the alt right reserved background, the headline, the tagline, headline background. Put an image here, again you put the image above this layer, and the CD background. So let's change the CD design now. I'm going to use the same picture as before. Paste it in here, above the layer that called put image here. Change the text. And save it. Go to File and Save. Let's go back to the DVD box 7. This is it. This is how you change the DVD covers. Each one of the covers has the same names on all the smart objects. The left will be DVD left side, the right will be DVD front, and the CD will be the CD layout. Now we are going to edit all the DVD's PSD file. We are going to edit this PSD the same as we did with DVD box 7. Using the flat DVD. We already made that on DVD box 7, so I'm not going to make that again. So open all the DVD's PSD file. You can see here we have 10 folders. Each one of the folders contain one of the DVD layouts. And above all the folders we have 3 smart objects. The CD layout, the DVD left side, and the DVD front, that is the right side. Any changes that we are going to make to any one of the DVD smart objects will affect all the 10 DVD layouts. You can change all the smart objects the same as we did on DVD box 7. I am going to use the flat PSD that we had on DVD box 7. Copy the left side. Open the DVD smart object that's called DVD left side. Paste it on the top layer. Go to File, Save, and do the same to the right side. Open DVD front smart object, paste it above all the layers. Go to File, Save, and now all we have to do is to change the CD. I'm going to copy it. And you can see all the changes that we made to the free smart object affected all the 10 DVD covers. This is it. See how easy it was to edit all the 10 DVD layout at once. If you're having a hard time choosing on each one of the layout to use, all the DVD's PSD is a great tool for you. You are going to be able to see how your design look on each one of the layouts. This is it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.